Friends, so we are continuing our discussion on the problem on simultaneous linear equation. Today we discuss the problem based on age. Our first problem is 4 years ago Marina was 3 times old as her daughter. 6 years from now the mother will be twice as old as her daughter. Find their present age. So first we consider the present age of Marina as x years and her daughter as y years. Now look at the first condition. 4 years ago. 4 years ago both will be 4 years younger. So Marina age will be x minus 4 and her daughter age was y minus 4. Now Marina was 3 times old, so we need to multiply with her daughter age to make it equal. So x minus 4 equals to 3y minus 4. If you simplify, you will get x minus 3y equals to minus 8. Now the second condition is 6 years from now. Now 6 years from the present age, both will be 6 years older. So Marina age will be x plus 6, her daughter age will be y plus 6. Still Marina will be older, so we need to multiply with 2 to the age of daughter to make it equal. So if you simplify, you will get x minus 2y equals to 6. So student, we are getting two equations. One equation is x minus 3y equals to minus 8. X minus 2y equals to 6. Now look at the coefficient of x is equal. So it is better to go for the elimination method. So I am using the elimination method. So sign will be changed, minus plus minus. Minus 3y plus 2y equals to minus y equals to minus 8 minus 6 minus 14. Therefore y equals to 14. Now from the equation 1, from 2 we will get x equals to 6 plus 2y. Substitute the value of y, you will get x equals to 34. That means age of Marina equals to 34 years and age of her daughter is 14 years. Moving into the next problem, the students of a class are made to stand in row. If one student is extra in a row, there would be 2 rows less. And if one student is less in a row, there would be 3 rows more. So we need to find out the number of students in the class. So now generally in assembly we stand in a row, there is a certain number of students. So we assume the number of students in a row is x and number of rows is equal to y. Therefore total number of students equals to xy. Now if you change the arrangement, then number of students remains the same. It will not going to change. So if the first condition is if one student is extra in a row, if one student is extra in a row, then the number of students is x plus 1. There would be 2 rows less, that means y minus 2, and if you multiply you will get the number of student, and number of student we have xy. So now if you multiply x into y, minus 2x plus y minus 2 equals to xy. xy cancel each other, so you'll get minus 2x plus y. This minus 2 will go that side, you will get plus 2. So we get our first equation as minus 2x plus y equals to 2. Now the next condition is given as if one student is less in a row, then the number of student in a row will be x minus 1. There would be 3 rows more, that means total number of rows increased to y plus 3. Then also the number of student remains the same, that is xy. Again if you multiply, xy and xy will cancel each other, you will get 3x minus y equals to 3. Now look at the y, coefficient is same, so prefer the elimination method.